Holy goodness and gracious. We're back in the mix on some more lethal Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. We left off after a pretty juicy mission and overall fighting a juicy boss. I forgot what his name was. Or maybe, I don't think it was a name of a boss. I think we just killed the... What did we kill? Oh no, we had Pierre Lefouer, the pirate extraordinaire. That's right. We went against him and his like death bot on that one planet. And we left off having to go somewhere else and meet somewhere else, I think, to be able to, if I remember correctly, get the like next phase of the mission started, to be able to get the communications up, or really to just meet up with Ratchet. So I'm hype. Let's dive into it and let's get it rolling. Let's get it going. All right, back in the mix. Nice. All right, can we
Let's get to Blazar Prime and see if we can find that phase coins.
Yeah, what's up, Pierre? All right, is there not a? Can we not go upgrade our weapons?
Sorry, one sec. You've gotten a little quiet back there. Everything okay?
I may have slightly misrepresented the difficulties of building a Dimensionator.
Well, I mean, sure. We all knew it wasn't gonna be easy.
Yes, but phase quartz is
One of the rarest minerals in the universe. Right.
All right, let's see what we gotta do.
Just came in.
Who doesn't love a day in the sun? Rooting your enemies into the ground with the topiary sprinkler.
Oh, wow.
A turret that warps your foes into defenseless, trimmable hedges.
That's actually kind of lame. I'm not gonna lie.
Enemies not getting the point? Hit them over.
Whoa.
The ricochet. Pull the fire trigger to shoot it at your useless enemy. Oh my! And then it will pop back up next to them. Then what? Pull the fire trigger to hit them again. And again. And again. Bing, bing, bing.
Nice.
Want to make your enemies go
Holy crap, there is a lot of new weapons.
lightning rod.
The Drill Hound.
Go on. You know you want it.
Say, is that thunder I hear? Rain? No, it's the lightning rod. Finish them to send the lightning toward their troublesome teammates.
Go ahead, Shug. That is a...
The only weapon who has destroyed Little Zircon's enemies and performed at his last birthday party, Mr. Fun Guy.
Oh, we'll take that. Why not?
You are really gonna be the life of the party now.
And then I don't know. Why don't we upgrade some of this right here? And then maybe the Enforcer. Actually, no. We'll go to the Blast Pistol. Why not?
Upgrades
Nice.
ready. Are you?
Nice. We have a lot to upgrade here. I mean, look at this one. I feel like the pistol makes the most sense. So we're gonna upgrade that one the most.
You gonna love that upgrade. You picked that one up already.
Oh, wow. So, I mean, we just put a whole lot into that one.
Thanks
Cool.
for shopping, cutie pie.
Alright. Oh, you guys doing the slow walk on me. Alright, well, let's get cooking here then.
If you're hearing this and can spare a moment or two, Trudy sure could use your help on Sargasso.
Trudy?
She's a friend. Probably has nothing to do with saving the dimension, but Mort wouldn't ask if it wasn't important.
Oh, we already did that. Alright. So he said it probably has nothing to do with what we have going on. Roger that. How do we upgrade our grab boots? Oh, there we go. That's how we do it.
Nice!
Cool. I knew there was a button I was missing. Oh, they don't even mind. Alright, cool. Let's ride. Alright, so what are we feeling here?
Hello, Dimension. I know I've been away for, you know how long. So, I thought we should catch up. What have I been up to? Oh, just speaking with my adoring fans. Enjoying my lovely scenery. And finding out that there are two insolent lumbaxes running around trying to ruin everything! So, I'm offering a bounty of 3 squillion nefarious freedom coupons to anyone who can bring me those fuzzy miscreants, dead or alive! But preferably alive, so I can have some fun with them first. My elaborate spy network indicates that they'll be at Blizzar and Savali very soon. So, get to it! And
Oh my.
if those lumbaxes are listening, just know that I'm going to crush you into dust. And then I'll blast that dust into a sun, and then I'll dump that sun into...
Great. Now I'm on 2 nefarious hit lists.
And he knows where we are going. Oh, dear.
Oh, okay. So we still have to find one more bolt on that one. Oh, that's cool that we can go to all of them. Alright. Find the phase quartz, find the Dimensionator blueprints. Bronze cup, optional.
Let's do this!
Let's go back to Sargasso. Nice. Where's Trudy at? Oh, we also haven't found our spy robot either. Oh, there.
What's the matter with Trudy?
Oh, hey there, Ribbit. Oh, she's just hungry for Zerpstones. Normally she nabs them from those rock islands up there, but I guess she's too tired to fly today.
Aw, up late partying again? Don't worry, I'll grab him.
Oh, you're a peach. We'll be waiting right here when you get back. Ribbit will be back. You know, Trudy sure does appreciate it. Hey, can you find any more out there? We're this close to getting those ranger boots. Maybe when Ribbit brings those Zerpstones back, I'll sprinkle a little flourish and spice on them. Maybe even the whole shaker.
Alright, I can't wait to figure out where all this stuff is, because I'm definitely not, like, aware of where most of this stuff is hidden out at.
Ah, Trudy, I know you like that.
You know, it's funny, in the last episode, we were literally just here. Oh, get out of here.
A Zerpstone! This is just what Trudy needs.
Well, see, now I'm curious. Is there like a little drop off over here somewhere where like this last bolt is? I feel like that's what we're possibly gonna run into here. Hello, big guy. Ah.
Should be more than enough Zerpstones to get Trudy here chirping again. Head on back to the Gelatonium factory so's we can thank you in person.
Nice. I don't think we left any either. Very cool. How the heck are we supposed to get there? Oh, we're dead. Okay. This is simple enough.
Oh. Trudy, look! Ribbit brought you some Zerpstones! You know, if you ever wanted to grab some more, I'd consider trading those ranger boots behind me for them. I'll mark your map with all the Zerpstones in the area, just in case you're interested.
If we wish to look now,
Oh,
I
heck
bet
yeah.
this speeder would prove quite useful.
Well, heck yeah. Let's go see if we can find them all then. Oh, okay.
That Seeker-Pea battle was something else, huh?
Thank you for going to such trouble on my behalf.
Ah, that was nothing.
Really? Is there not another one of those cheeky little snaily boys around here? Alright. Lame.
Hey, Ribbit, do you like ranger boots? Cause you just earned yourself a pair. Bring those herb stones over whenever you got a second.
Will do. Hey, Mort, this whole Zerpstone delivery remind you of anything?
Oh, you mean the first time we met?
Making deliveries for the gelatonium factory so I could save up for my own place. Man, those hours were brutal.
Well, you've come a long way since then, Ribbit, and I've never stopped feeling lucky that we met that day. I'll see you soon.
How long have you known Mort?
Since I was a kid. They're, you know, a little odd, but they're one of the good ones.
Cool. Oh, this map's actually huge. I don't think we remotely explored any of this last time. Oh, what's over here? Oh, that's the wall. Oh, okay. All right.
Hey, Ribbit, do you like ranger boots? Cause you just earned yourself a pair. Bring those herb stones over whenever you got a second.
Will do. Hey, Mort, this whole Zerpstone delivery remind you of anything?
Oh, you mean the first time we met?
Making deliveries for the gelatonium
Oh my
factory
gosh.
so I could save up for my own place. Man, those
Wow.
hours were brutal.
Well, you've come a long way since then, Ribbit, and I've never stopped feeling lucky that we met that day. I'll see you soon.
How long have you known Mort?
Since I was a kid. They're, you know, a little odd, but they're one of the good ones.
Warp to crash site.
Ah, memories.
I am glad you trust me more now than you did back then.
So am I.
Multiple indigenous threats incoming!
Nice. Now, what my suspicion is that the bolt is cheekily over here somewhere. Oh my gosh. Ow.
I'm carrying a bunch of Zerpstones. Might be worth stopping by the gelatonium factory to see Mort.
Yes, yes, we know. Is it not anywhere in here? Really? Huh. Maybe not. I don't think it's showing up on the map anywhere either, right? Oh, it's saying that there's so many. Oh, I bet you we're bound to find it then. If we haven't spotted it in here, why don't we do a quick little walk through the whole area again? Because there's no way that we did miss it, right?
I'm carrying a bunch of Zerpstones. Might be worth stopping by the
Yes, we
gelatonium factory to see
know.
Mort.
We know. Is it out here, maybe anywhere? Oh no, I don't think when there's stuff not loading in, it kind of gives me the vibes like we're not supposed to be over here. Oh god, oh god, bad move. We have a lot of these stones. We should go blah blah blah. Yes, I know. I don't think it knows that I want to collect all of them. Where's this thing at? I believe we already did this. Wait, so if I go hard left into... What is all over here?
Somebody must be missing a lot of crates. If I'm careful, I bet I could carve out a path.
Oh no, we just messed it up.
Hey, Ribbit, do you like ranger boots? Cause you just earned yourself a pair. Bring those Zerpstones over whenever you got a second.
Will do. Hey, Mort, this whole Zerpstone delivery remind you of anything?
Oh, you mean the first time we met?
Making deliveries for the gelatonium factory so I could save up for my own place. Man, those hours were brutal.
Well, you've come a long way since then, Ribbit, and I've never stopped feeling lucky that we met that day. I'll see you soon.
How long have you known Mort?
Since I was a kid. They're, you know, a little odd, but they're one of the good ones.
Nice. Alright. Sweet. I don't know if I remember us coming over here. I don't recognize this area at all.
Zerpstones. Might be worth stopping by the gelatonium factory to see Mort.
Best to avoid hits like that.
Oh, really? It's best to avoid hits like that? Okay, I'll try.
I'm carrying a bunch of Zerp stones. Might be worth stopping by the Gelatonium factory to see more.
Nice. All right, so we got that killed. We love that. Now, no bolts hidden anywhere around here. We'll take that. Now, what's over here? Uh-huh. Well, that seems like something, huh? What's over there? Have we even explored that? No. What the heck? What's up there? Kind of smells or feels like this might be where this last bolt is. Let's head back. Let's see if we can't go grab this real quick. See if we can't get on that real fast. Okay. Where the heck would you begin to get in here? There's like nowhere. I don't get it. Okay. How the heck are you meant to get in that? Unless are we just meant to boost, maybe? That's probably what it is. Maybe I'm just being a goof. Oh, wow. Well, one little news flash. There's a bunch of these crystals on the outside of this. Some raritanium. Satarium. Alright.
That looked rather painful.
That was actually the worst. You're saying that's not over here? What? No way. That's lame. Really? That is so silly. Man, you would think that this would be like a prime area for that. Wow. of trapped ourselves here. Huh. Look at that. This is like nowhere to be found. Oh no, yeah, no, I'm like trapped here. Oops, we're gonna have to...
Hey, Ribbit, do you like ranger boots? Cause you just earned yourself a pair. Bring
Yes.
those Zerbstones over whenever you got a second.
Will do. Hey, Mort, this whole Zerpstone delivery remind you of anything?
Oh, you mean the first time we met?
Making deliveries for the gelatonium factory so I could save up for my own place. Those hours were brutal.
Well, you've come a long way since then, Ribbit, and I've never stopped feeling lucky that we met that day. I'll see you soon.
How long have you known Mort?
Since I was a kid. They're, you know, a little odd, but one of the good ones.
Uh-huh. Is there not a, It seems like there's a cheeky way around here, huh? Really? You have to find one of our bros to get across, or am I just forgetting that this is like part of the reason over here? Or I'm such a goof. I'm probably just forgetting how to get back over here.
I'm carrying a bunch of Zerpstones. Might be worth stopping by the gelatonium
Are you
factory to see
kidding?
more.
What was that? Really? Great. Alright, cool. Look at these crazy little dudes over here. Oh.
I'm carrying a bunch of Zerpstones. Might be worth stopping by the gelatonium factory to see more.
What's going on here? Oh my, this dude's just snoozing here, huh? Nope, we're not fighting you, Gunthor. We're not fighting you. Gosh, I am just... Why have I forgot? I have forgotten entirely where the heck we gotta go here. Actually, you know, yeah, it's probably just better that I just go all the way back. Okay. This is such a goofy episode so far.
Look at all those Zerp stones. These ranger boots are all yours. Now, Trudy here's got a big appetite, so if you find the rest of the Zerp stones, I'll give you this Rhino spy bot, too. Oh, what's that you say there, Trudy? You want to help Ribbit find them?
Oh, man.
Well, you heard her. Just hop on her back when you're ready to go after them.
What?
All right, Bill, let's go.
What?
If I didn't have to work the nation, I'd be looking for those Zerp stones myself.
Oh, wow. Look at this. Wow. I bet you one of the last bolts is way up in the air. That's probably why we couldn't get it. No? Where are we looking for it, I guess? Guess we're kinda possibly going kinda dead ahead of us a little bit. This is so cool. The fact that the map is just this wide open too, like there's like no areas or like loading. You're just able to soar through it all. Pretty tight. Crash landed, don't worry about it. I guess these are like right in front of us then, I guess. Oh yeah, look at, they're on top. Oh yeah. Are we meant to get that? What are we meant to do with that? So it's like we know those are there. What else are we meant to do here? You guys feel me? Oh, nice. It's good to know there's a crystal right there. But meant to get that? I don't... Okay, unless I'm just being really, really dumb, which I mean, it's very possible, but... It's just straight up saying that we're meant to try to climb this thing, I guess? We're just supposed to scale it, instead of, like, swooping down real quick and... just popping it, you know? How in the world? Yeah, what the? What are we supposed to do with that? There's no way. I'm definitely missing something. What are you meant to do for that? That is interesting. There's not even a way to get up there. Huh?
And we're off.
And so there's really nothing that this thing can do? Really? There's just nothing it can do. This thing is only meant to fly? I'm very confused.
Hey, boss, we found this weird fruit thing. You want us to grab it?
You think I'm interested in locally sourced fruit?
Thing is, it looks pretty tasty, and the guys haven't eaten it.
What are you idiots even doing up here?
That's the fuzzball, and I go first dibs on the fruit. Am I growing on you yet? Hey, that fruit's hard.
Then come and get it.
Avoid hits like that.
See, how are we supposed to, what?
I'm done.
What am am I just terrible? Is that all we're learning here? Is that I'm just really bad at this, or? Because how are you supposed to get up there? I feel so stupid, because it's like, why, like, what am I doing wrong?
Evasive action recommended.
Whoa! Hey there, big fella.
Huge.
Evasive action recommended.
Whoa! Hey there, big fella.
Okay. Oh, sweet. Wow, I just really cannot avoid that. Oh my god, we're dead. That's so cool. Oh my gosh. And now we're getting smoked by this thing. Man, you know what? The episode is just called Goofing Around, alright? That's literally all it's called.
Evasive action recommended.
Whoa! Hey there, big fella.
achievement for killing a Gunthor. Hooray, I'm so glad. I still have no idea how we plan to get the ones that are up on top. Yeah, like what are we meant to do with that up there?
Home sweet home.
I am sorry that it sustained so much damage during my abduction.
It's not so bad. Now I have a view.
Oh wow. Okay, nice.
Oh, come on! Gotta find that long pistol! Blaster quick, so we can finally eat!
Oh my gosh.
That's the fruit!
There wasn't even any fruit to grab. Where's the rest of these fruits at anyway? See, they're all gonna be like, there's some over here on this last place. I'm very curious. I don't know if
Hey,
like...
Trudy.
Hey, Ribbit, I forgot to tell you earlier. Trudy's strong enough to breathe fire now. All those herb stones made her belly as hot as Mort's party mix. Feel free to let her loose.
Sweet! Now we can finally get the rest of the Zerp stones.
That's so silly. I'm so glad that they just finally told me that. I literally felt like such an idiot earlier. Like, what were we supposed to do? Well, there we go. Now it makes sense. Oh, look it! There's the last screw! How could I not see it? Look at that, everybody! I'm such a goof.
Oh yeah, I'm good.
Oh, that's so awesome. Let's see. Looks like there's a few out here, actually, out on this coast. Strafing run. Okay. Yeah, I think this one, I'm just gonna literally call this like a just clearing this planet's name. I forgot the planet's name already, but let's take a look. Let me see. What the heck is over here? Oh. Alright, very nice. And then how many were left? Just literally two. Two were left toward the middle here. Now, will we go back and get all the raritanium? I mean, maybe. But it's more likely that we probably just vibe. let's see, what are we... So this is like behind us on the bottom left, question mark? Like over here somewhere? Aha! And then the last one is just on this hill right over here. Like over here somewhere? Where am I missing it? It's somewhere in here. Okay, so it's to the right of me? So it is somewhere up here. Or I'm just missing it. Could be on the bottom too. Oh, no, it's right there. There it is.
Ribbit, that's all the Zerpstones. Guess I better get that spy bot ready for you. Oh, boy.
Woo! Gelatonium Factory, here I come.
By the by, have you noticed anything?
Oh,
Oh.
my Mart! Look at all that syrup. You earned this spy bot and then some.
Aha! How long will it take Trudy to eat everything?
Oh, 5 days, 6 tops. But old Mort will worry about next week.
By the by, have you noticed anything different about Trudy yet?
Besides her being even more radiant than usual?
She's expecting!
What? She is? Oh my! Oh, I am gonna throw her the biggest baby shower this planet has ever seen.
Hooray! Okay, sweet. So, look at all 3 of the bolts, all 4 of the armors, and the spy bot. So, like I said, it's kind of silly. It's kind of a smaller episode, and it's kind of a really dysfunctional way of doing this. But this is just us finishing up the rest of this planet. What is this planet called again? Sargasso. So yeah, this is just us finishing up Sargasso, getting all the extra stuff. Now, granted, there is a ton of Ratanium here, so if you're looking to upgrade, or if you're looking for, you know, to be able to get all of that, then make sure you go back and hunt it all. It's not very difficult. It's not very far out of there, but it's not what we need to complete the planet, which we already did. And we helped Trudy, who's expecting, so shout out Trudy. But we're going to wrap it up here. Probably a shorter one, but we're going to dive into the actual main story mission after this. I just didn't want to leave the planet behind and leave all the looting behind, so hope you enjoyed it. Hope this was not a little too crazy, and hope you all, most importantly, have a juicy rest of your days, nights, wherever you are. Drink some water and stay lethal. See you in the next one.